fabulous investment, and I'm so thrilled that we were able to partner on this beautiful beast.
The butterfly bus, baby.
Yes.
Let's go. Donald Morrow with Morrow Custom Trailers. I'm here with Amra, the owner of Dress for Success, Denver, Colorado. We just got through finishing their butterfly bus. As you can see, it's a mobile transformation center. What does that even mean? Well, they're going to be helping ladies get spruced up, fixed up, to go become a little bit more hireable. Folks that maybe don't necessarily have all the capabilities in the world to get places, and you do have a location in Denver where they can come.
We do.
But sometimes they can't get there, right? So they're going to go to them, and this is actually a nationwide program, but they're running the Denver operation. So, Amra, can you tell us a little bit more about the program itself?
Absolutely. Dress for Success was founded over 25 years ago on the principle of what would happen if you gave one woman one suit so she could get one job. Well, today there's 147 affiliates in the United States, and we are in 25 countries. The
Nice.
Denver affiliate was launched in 2006, and next week we will celebrate 20,000 women served.
Wow.
And so this Butterfly Bus Mobile Transformation Center will be the evolution of our business, allowing us to serve women living in pockets of poverty around our state.
Wow.
So not just in Denver, but really across Colorado.
Okay. So this is also great for the economy in local areas, correct?
Absolutely.
How's that work?
Absolutely. Well, the more individuals that you can get jobs, and not just any job, but you can get a job that will move into a career, feeds into the economy. It allows them to have stability for themselves as well as their families.
Absolutely.
So they can become self-sufficient and they can achieve their goals and dreams.
That is amazing. So you're helping people and you're helping the economy as well.
Absolutely.
So people can donate to your whole
Absolutely.
program, money and articles of clothing, accessories, and all of that, right?
Absolutely. You can visit denver.dressforsuccess.org to find out how to make a financial contribution, especially an investment for our bus, because as you can see, we're going to need tires, we're going to need maintenance, we're going to need permitting and licensing.
Yep.
So this is a wonderful thing to support, or any of our programs. We also take nearly new, now don't bring me that old used stuff, nearly new clothing, accessories, shoes that you can donate.
So you're not Goodwill.
No,
right?
we're not.
You don't want your stuff that's been in a box in the attic for 20 years.
We do not.
You want some nice stuff so that you can hand that off to folks who need it, who are going to be able to take it and help them their lives out, correct?
Absolutely.
Awesome. You have an event coming up, right? A big fundraiser?
We sure do. We have our Sweet 16 party next Friday, September 29th. We're expecting almost 400 people, and the big deal with the event is this. So this will launch at the event, and then after the event, we will start driving across Colorado serving individuals.
Awesome. If you want to help out Dress for Success, please visit the website, which is
denver.dressforsuccess.org.
We'll show off more of the butterfly bus in this video, but if you want to see more about it and my other projects as well, please visit morrowcustomtrailers.com. Amra, you thought of something just now.
I did.
And you wanted to make sure that the people heard it. So let me ask you, how'd you find us, and why did you bring it down here? Why'd you send this big old truck from Denver to Austin?
Absolutely. You know, we did a nationwide search trying to find someone who could retrofit this, and we got astronomical quotes from places that were closer to Colorado. And then my coworker found your website, and you had such cool, detailed plans of things that you had done and pictures of past projects, and we were so impressed. And then you were so reasonable. So not only were you the best, the closest to us, but you were also the most reasonable, which I think is very important. For any business that is trying this, or you're starting off with your first one, you want something reasonable to see how you can integrate this into your business. And that's why we traveled 14 hours to bring it here, because you were the best, You were the best price. And after working with you and your family, I genuinely have enjoyed this experience. It's been so easy, and I would do it again.
I appreciate you saying that.
Absolutely.
We at Morrow Custom Trailers, you can see all of our previous work. I believe you guys saw the Lularoe box truck that I did, which was a very similar kind of a clothing boutique on wheels, right? And we've done a few other things, and we do try to be a little bit more affordable. We believe in helping small businesses because we are a small business. We actually originally started, I built out an RV into a food trailer, and I was selling hamburgers. And then I ended up selling that trailer and thought, I made more money building the trailer and selling it than I did selling food out of it. So I went ahead and got another RV, gutted it, put another kitchen in there, sold it, did that 3 times and said, you know what, proof of concept. So I started building it out, and I have a portfolio now, and so that's how people find us. It is a little bit of a niche market that we have kind of found, and it's very unique. And I am more affordable because, again, small businesses can't come in with 70 grand, 80 grand, 90 grand all the time and then go and become successful. So you know, I just want to help other businesses become successful, and as doing that, we become successful as well. And I think all boats rise when people try to help each other.
Absolutely. I mean, you're speaking to the choir. That's what we do
I love
every single day. And I think it was a fabulous investment, and I'm so thrilled that we were able to partner on this beautiful beast.
The butterfly bus, baby.
Yes.
Let's go. All right, well, it's going back to Colorado tomorrow. Please stay tuned for more videos and information from Dress for Success and Morrow Custom Trailers.